Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today we are going to unbox iPhone SE 2020. It's the second generation, people call as SE2, some call as second generation and some call as SE second generation. It's the original name. Now today we are going to unbox it. Let's see what's in the box and we will take the phone. Guys, this is the iPhone SE 2020 second generation one. In the box they have included the iPhone SE phone and the USB-C to lightning cable, and they also already said that the power adapter and the headphones are sold separately. This supports GSM, UMTS and LTE cellular technologies and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and GPS, and there are in some areas this will be not compatible and this will be not available. And down they have put iPhone SE white 128 GB, designed in Apple in California and assembled in China. Now there is a new news. Now Apple assembled in India also. The links are in the description, you can check it out. This is next warranty 1 year plus Apple Care 1 year warranty. Front they have put the iPhone SE picture. There is a small bump you can see, and up they have put a logo, Apple logo, and this side iPhone logo, iPhone. Let's go to unboxing. And guys, now we will unbox this by picking this sticker here. We'll keep the polythene aside, and here there is a small bump here. Now let's open iPhone for the first time, and we will keep the phone aside. And here USB-C to lightning cable, and the guidelines, hello, and some guidelines and stuff, eject tray, and Apple sticker. We keep this aside. Now we will go to iPhone. And guys, this is the iPhone SE second generation, white color 128 GB. You can see this this camera is like XR model. This has portrait and portrait cameras, portrait 4K videos, and here the power button, and here SIM tray, and here's the speaker and microphone and like power delivery. And this side we have the usual volume up and down, and here silent button, and here signal antennas in the both side you can see. Now we'll pick the sticker. This looks very beautiful, gorgeous to see. Now we will switch on the phone for the first time. Hello to open. Now let's press home, and they are telling to select our language. We will press English and our country, and they are setting language. We will press quick start, setup manual, continue, and we will connect to the Wi-Fi, and we will come. Now we have connected to the Wi-Fi. Now it may take few minutes to activate your iPhone, our Wi-Fi, and it will take some time, and it's loaded to data and privacy. Let's press continue, and fingerprint setup will set up later. Don't use, and don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. We'll set up those things later. And it's loading here. It's already coming with charge, and we don't have any iClouds or anything. Don't transfer apps and data, and use different Apple ID. And sorry, I don't have an Apple ID. setup later in settings. Don't use. Now it's loading. Let's see what's happening now. The terms and conditions. Now let's press agree and continue, and again continue and continue and don't share, sorry, share with, and continue home button. And now it's asking for display zoom. We don't need any display zooms, and we will click on standard, continue. Welcome to iPhone, get started. This is the iPhone. Welcome to app library, and this is the refresh widgets, the iOS 14 new updates. Here you can search for anything, the apps and everything. Here also you can search everything, and these are the free apps that they are giving, and they're asking for sign in and those things. And here about, it's already installed 14.0.1 iOS and iPhone SE. We can change the name here and serial numbers and IMEI numbers. That's all. And guys, this is the iPhone SE. Now we are unboxed, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video below, and please subscribe and notify if you want to receive my later new videos. In later I'm going to bring a review video of this iPhone SE and iPhone. And thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in my next video. Peace.